guys, what's up? My name is Sejal. Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys.
Yes, you read the title right.
Waiting around the bend, baby, let's just pretend. I want to stay.
I am shifting out of my house and I'm going to Mumbai. So I know this may come as a big surprise to a lot of you, but मैं actually कुछ 2 साल से सोच रही हूँ कि मुझे बॉम्बे शिफ्ट होना है. Little bit of a back story. हम actually एक दूसरे घर में शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं in Delhi. ये साइड कुछ 2 साल पहले हो गया था and पिछले 1 साल से construction चल रही है. But all this while I was thinking that maybe it's time I move out of my parents' place here in the city. मुझे 2 साल से बॉम्बे जाने का मन तो था to just see if there are some better opportunities for me career-wise. I just wanted to experience that whole thing of going to a new city. मैं कभी hostel में नहीं रही, but basically मैं घर के बाहर कभी नहीं रही. And I thought that now is the time to take the risk. And good news, मैं पिछले 1 महीने से flats ढूंढ रही थी. And I finally finalized one day before yesterday. बहुत मुश्किल से, बहुत struggle करके.
Everything is finally confirmed. I'm getting the weirdest feeling ever. I just called my dad and he told me, congratulations, I'm up independent.
And that's what I'm packing for. I actually leave next week. One of the reasons that I really wanted to move out is because I'm not that independent. I want to take care of myself, take care of a house, run a household, and that's really important for me to just grow as a person. So that's one of the big things that I'm excited about. So since I'm technically moving to my new house plus my Bombay house wow, I feel like such an adult. I'm literally packing my entire life and I'm separating it into 3 different piles. Things that I want to give away, things I want to take to my Delhi house, and things that I want to take to Bombay. You guys will also miss this room because मैंने यहाँ कितनी videos बनाई हैं. I'm also gonna really miss it. Not because of anything else, but just because, not because of this side. Not because of my life. Realize कि कितना सामान over the years accumulate हो जाता है क्योंकि मैं पागल हो रही हूँ अपना सामान समेटते.
पार्वती के बच्चे.
नहीं पागल है क्या? Family is here helping me back.
I
know. I feel sad. Bombay is stealing my friend. But go live your dreams.
I'm actually I used to tell her something, do I clean this up? And then she used to cry, she used to lock herself in the bathroom.
Firstly, it's great timing because I decided to come back after 1 year and you decided to move out like a bitch. At least you don't get beautiful.
The rest we fall until it all breaks down, but I need it so.
And my room is finally empty. I leave for Mumbai day after tomorrow. My mom is also coming with me. I want to tell you quickly how the whole process was. So basically मुझे कुछ भी नहीं आता था and मैंने अपने दोस्तों से पूछा how to find brokers के numbers ढूंढे, got in touch with them, went to see about some 15 flats and 14 of them really sucked. Bombay is very expensive and जितना मेरा budget था उसमें जैसे मुझे घर में थे वो बहुत ही खराब थे. And then finally after lots and lots of searching I found a place. I had to go meet the landlord, negotiate with them, and we finally cracked a deal. So सारी formalities करी है. That's it. This was all a big learning for me. I had no idea ये सब कैसे करते हैं. So I'm really happy because इस 1 महीने में I did learn a lot. Now I'm feeling so weird, like this room. My voice is echoing. So we're gonna have a ball in Mumbai. We're gonna have some really cool new content that I'm really space excited to just grow more as a person. So here's to a new journey.